The UIL has announced the new athletic district's alignment for the 2020-2022 seasons. The CHS football, basketball, and volleyball teams will compete in District 6 at the Conference 6A level. CHS will join 7 other schools in the district, including Plano, Plano East, Plano West, Louisville, Louisville Flower Mound, Louisville Hebron, and Louisville Marcus.
I'm excited about it. I think our last couple of alignments we've had total change. There's been very few folks that we've retained. So, I think there's some natural rivalries with Louisville and some of our different sports. So, maintaining that, and then Plano, the 3 Plano schools, Plano East, Plano West, and Plano High. They're all 3 very competitive in a variety of sports. So, I think top to bottom, it's gonna make a very competitive district. I think Coppell will hold up just fine. I think our ability to be competitive in almost all sports and be playoff contenders in almost all sports. I think it'll be very similar.
For KCBY, I'm Zan Khan.